Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my mini size Happy Planner dashboard layout for the week of March 18th through the 24th. This is the first official week of spring in 2024, so I'm going to use Sweet Spring. These are some really pretty florals that are available in my shop now. I'm also going to be using Well Hello Spring, My Old Friend. This is on Spring Quotes too. And then I'm going to be using my custom word of the year too, I think. So let's get started. I think I want to put some washi like at the top and the bottom of this spread. I'm going to use this pink striped washi. I think this is an old Happy Planner washi, but I can't be sure where I actually got it from. But the pink matches almost perfectly with the pink that's in these florals. So we're going to use that just for a little bit of a pop of color. But I think the first thing I want to do is put this cute truck down here. Actually, I'm going to put the washi down. Let's put the washi down first and decorate on top of the washi. Let's just make the washi like the baseline, since we do have this quote that I whited out. So we'll do that and then start laying stickers on top. Okay. So now we'll take the truck and kind of lay it down on the washi. It's so pretty. So cute. All right, and then I kind of want to do my quotes somewhere. Maybe I don't. Do I want to do my quote over here? I don't know. I'm feeling like this quote may be a little bit too big to use on the mini. So let's try something different. Let's see what else we can put down here. Maybe I'll just put a box down here. Let's take, I don't even think I'm going to decorate the top corner. I might put these birds over here. I don't know. I don't know yet. I might just stick to mostly the mini sticker sheet for this spread. I don't know yet. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with boxes, actually. And I think we're going to go box, 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 box. So we'll go with this box on Monday. We're just going to go right down the colors here. Tuesday is, I think, the actual first day of spring. Gosh, my throat is hoarse or foggy. I think it's the pollen in the air. I just went and let the dogs out and came in and had a sneezing fit, and then now my throat's all froggy. So gotta love that pollen. I'm ready for some April showers to wash it away. Oh, come on. So I've mentioned in my last two videos that I am probably only going to carry my 50% off sale through the end of March. I have some equipment that needs to be replaced. So I need to kind of get back to my normal income for at least a little while. So I'm going to be going back to my 25 to 30% off instead of the 50% off. So if you want to stock up on your stickers and you haven't yet, or if you know, there's some more that you want to get that you haven't grabbed yet, go ahead and head over to my website, thepleasantlyplanned.com, and grab those while they're still on sale, 50% off. Because for my new release in April, around the 1st of the month, I'm not exactly sure when it'll be, but it'll be the first week of the month, that sale is probably going to be finished. So, all right, now, this is so cute, y'all. What else do I want to do here? I kind of want a little I don't know what I want, honestly. Let's do a box over here. I think I'm going to do a green box down here. And then I think I'm going to, just so that I have the same colors, I'm going to go with this blue. Actually, I'm going to go with a pink. I'm going to go with pink and layer it over this green box. So that we kind of still have a little cluster here. And then I'm going to take this long blue one. Do I want to do a long blue one or a short blue one? I think I'm going to do a short blue one. And we're going to do some kind of decorative something around this blue box. So I think we'll do this. I'll take this one and just go right off the edge here. I am going to trim it just a tad though, so it kind of lines up even. All right, so now we just need, I don't even really need a quote, but I think I want to use my word of the year somewhere. That one's kind of big. This one's kind of small. I might just put it in the box. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it and put it in the box, but I'm going to cut it like square on the bottom. Put it right there. That's so cute. That's my word of the year. Sometimes I forget to put it in my spreads, but I'm working on it. So I'm working on remembering. And then I think I'm going to take some of the pink washi and go across the top of this side. So that we have it on both sides. It's so pretty. It's so pretty and dainty and spring-like. All right, I got my pages curled up here. So let's see if there's anything else that I want to do. I don't think there is. I honestly think that this is like super cute. Unless maybe, hold on. Y'all know how I like to take the washi and put in my boxes? So I'm wondering what it would look like if I took a little bit of black and white washi and just kind of decorated inside my boxes. Let's just try it. It's like my new thing that I like doing. Cute. Yeah, I think I might just do this for all my boxes. Like it just stagger top and bottom. Just to give a little bit more decoration to the spread in the way of the boxes. It's going to make it really cute. I didn't rip that very even. I'm trying to avoid laying the washi down because I keep forgetting, and I'll lay it down on the edge of like the color of my box, and then it'll, when I go to cut it and rip it up, it rips the color off the box, and I don't like that. So I'm trying to kind of avoid that by ripping. Yeah, see, that just brought so much more life to the spread just by adding that little bit of washi in there. I love it. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. So let's see, I think we're going to do top, bottom, top. So the sticker kit that I used If you're new here, this is called a sticker kit. It's just one sheet, but it's a kit of boxes and headers. This is the small size, which is perfect, as you can see, for the mini happy planner. And then I used my custom word of the year quotes. And I used the small and mini sticker sheets. You could totally get by with just using the mini sticker sheets to decorate a mini happy planner spread. And while those are on sale, they're only $1 for the mini sheets. So definitely worth it if you just want to decorate a mini spread. Get a mini sheet and a small sticker kit, and for $3 you can have a whole spread decorated. Very affordable right now. All right, we're gonna take this and rip right here. Yeah, see how that just made those boxes pop? I love adding just a little bit of washi to my boxes. It just makes such a big difference whenever I feel like the spread is a little bit plain. So, all right, I think I'm finished with this spread. Let's put it back in the planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. I'm not very active over there, but I do post sometimes. And head over to my website to save your 50% off all your stickers through the end of March. It's thepleasantlyplanned.com. So that's it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.